Hi guys, AR Malik here. Today we will learn how to update Play Store or install latest version of Play Store. It's very quick and easy. If you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel. There are two methods. In first method, go to Play Store, click on your profile in top right corner. Now click on bottom settings option. At very bottom, click on about. Now scroll down, there is option of update Play Store. Click here. Google Play Store is up to date. Understood. It means your Play Store is already updated. Second method. In this method, go to Google browser and search here APK Mirror. APK Mirror, search here. Now click on its main page website. Now go to search bar and search here Play Store. Now click on search bar. There are many APK files here. You have to download any one of the following. I download first one. When you download, your Play Store will automatically update it. Like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching full video.